everybody, it's Emily and this is EmiLou.Arts, and today I am going to be planning for next week, the second week in December, third week. I don't know either, Skinny. This is my A5 Hobonichi Techo and I am using a pocket kit from Shine Sticker Studio. Well, I think now is as good a time as any to quote one of my favorite movies, "Hold on to your butts." I've got the washi out again. I promise it turns out a little bit more balanced this week, you guys. I promise. There's not 90 yards of washi on the top. Oh dear. Okay, so if you are new here, I love Shine Sticker Studio, absolutely love it, and I bought a zillion pocket kits. And someone recently asked me if the pocket kits work in the A5 Cousin. And my answer would be yes, kind of. You have to do a little bit of maneuvering, which I am okay with. That doesn't bother me, but if it bothers you, then well, you'll be bothered because you'll have to trim the stickers. So yes and no is my answer. So I added a strip of washi. These are my makeshift pages because I wanted to add weekly layouts for December into my 2020 cousin so that I could start using it early. That's what these like homemade planner pages are, in case you're wondering. So anyway, I kind of made the template of the regular pages and put in my days of the week covers and a strip of washi to put below them because they didn't fill up that whole space. And then I am laying out all of the to-do banners underneath my first strip of washi. If you were here for last week's plan with me, the top washi became a calamity. It was a monster that took on a life of its own, but I tried to be extra cognizant of my washi usage today. It still got sort of out of hand, but better. And then I'm using the flags to use on my to-do list. Duh, I don't know. I actually designed this week differently than I've been doing all the other weeks, and I'm really in love with it because it's more like organized. Before, I would do my planning and then work in the decoration stickers where I had room, which ended up kind of looking a little bit haphazard. And so this week I decided to put in the deco and then do my planning around the deco, because that's the whole reason we're all here, isn't it? It's not organization, it's stickers. Let's just call it what it is. So I decided to put a little polka dot strip of washi down the middle that kind of delineates my to-do list section from my plans section down at the bottom. Okay, I'm back. Had to take a quick break and feed my children for the 97th time today, and it's 2 o'clock. So yes, delineating my to-do section up at the top from the bottom, which is going to be like my actual timed appointments and stuff like that. Okay, so what am I doing? Oh, so I wanted to put in the decoration stickers kind of staggered where the to-do like flag lists. I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying. I just wanted it to like be staggered. So that's what I did with that. Those 3 stickers were the what came with the pocket kit. And then I used another decoration sticker, big box one that came with the Shine Sticker Studio seasonal decoration pack from Michaels, because that coordinated with this kit actually. And then I'm using my Pigma Micron to write in the dates. And then those little bows, I know those are like supposed to be list dividers or whatever. I just put them as decoration up at the top. And then these are, I'm just putting down boxes, trying to put down boxes to write my plans on. I wanted to actually write all my plans on boxes instead of writing them on the paper just to see if I could. But I ran out of the boxes from the pocket kit. So I went back into my unused stickers from previous months and from the monthly layouts. And I was able to find some red and some green ones that matched this kit quite well, actually. And that one, like pale yellow, kind of works too. And then that little Luna with the reindeer costume on, that was from the seasonal sticker kit. And also some of those other like little cutout Luna ones are from the seasonal sticker one. That's a really cute kit. That bow was left over from one of my, I think it was a Thanksgiving kit, but I thought it worked. I end up doing something different with it later. That pink with the stocking was from the seasonal kit, so I put that on Sunday. I really like how it looks more balanced and like kind of staggered out. And then just adding more boxes for our plans. I tried this time to use more of the like icons that come in the little kit because a lot of times I just don't have a use for those. I used the little car in the grocery cart, and I love that they have a little like clapper thing because I use that for editing. And then up in the middle strip of washi, I put that green sticker to denote that I'm going to try and go to coffee in the morning at my parents' house because usually I try and go after I drop the kids off at school and before I start doing other stuff for the day and go to work and all that stuff. So I am just writing in our plans on all of the little stickers, and I just think this turned out so cute. I'm really pleased with it. And don't worry, I'm not done because I had stickers left and realized I was trying to save them for something, but Lord knows what. This is the kit that they match, so use them, Emily. What are you even talking about? God. I wrote in on that habit tracker, a 5K program, because my intention was to start that last week to get myself moving, and I only jogged one time last week. And then...
Lord be with us, she's getting out the washi.
I'm making another strip of washi, and I literally just filmed this, and I can't tell you why I did it. I don't know why. I go crazy with the strips of washi. Ay, chihuahua. But I think it looks cute with the decoration. Yeah, I don't know. The candy cane is from Seasonal Sticker Pack, and then the little Merry Christmas. And then I clipped the yellow off that bow and just left the blue, and I thought that looked cute. And then more decoration that I put in to-do lists that didn't have a flag. So will I be upset that I used my to-do list room? I don't know, possibly. But like I said, it's all about the stickers. I'm going to quit lying to myself. And I think it turned out really cute, you guys. I'm pretty happy with it. So if you have any questions, please let me know what they are. And if you feel like you like this, then hit subscribe. You can always undo it later. It's not permanent, but I'm glad you're here. Thanks, guys. Bye.